Mastering yoga, effective poses for stretching, relaxation, and health. Yoga is more than just a physical exercise, it's a holistic approach that harmonizes the mind, body, and spirit. It's a practice that has been used for thousands of years to promote balance, peace, and overall wellness. The beauty of yoga lies in its ability to connect us with our inner selves while enhancing our physical health. Physical health, mental clarity, and spiritual growth are among the many benefits of practicing yoga. Through consistent yoga practice, one can improve their flexibility, strength, and endurance. It also promotes mental clarity by reducing stress and anxiety, allowing for a more focused and peaceful mind. Moreover, yoga aids in spiritual growth, encouraging self-awareness and inner peace. Yoga poses, also known as asanas, each hold specific significance and benefits. These poses are designed to engage different muscles, improving strength and flexibility. They also promote balance and coordination, enhance circulation, and contribute to a greater sense of inner calm and focus. Stretching yoga poses are a key component of any yoga routine. These poses target various muscle groups, helping to increase flexibility and muscle tone. They can also help to alleviate tension and stiffness, which can contribute to better posture and easier movement. The downward-facing dog is a full-body stretch that targets the back, hamstrings, and shoulders. It is a fundamental pose in many yoga styles. This pose can help to improve flexibility, strength, and balance. Similarly, the forward bend works on stretching the spine and hamstrings, promoting a greater range of motion and flexibility. Yoga is a powerful tool for boosting overall health. Poses like the tree pose not only test your balance but also sharpen your mental focus, enhancing neurological health and improving concentration. The act of standing on one leg forces the body to stabilize while the mind must remain clear and focused. The triangle pose is another health-boosting yoga position. As you stretch your body into the shape of a triangle, you strengthen your core and lower body. This pose is particularly beneficial for improving digestion, reducing stress, and stimulating the organs in the abdomen. The cobra pose is an excellent pose to enhance cardiovascular health. This back-bending pose opens the chest and strengthens the spine. As the heart is lifted upwards, the blood circulation improves, contributing to a healthier heart and lung function. Breathing is a critical component of yoga. It maximizes the impact of each pose. The power of breath in yoga goes beyond the physical. It helps to reduce stress and anxiety, promoting a sense of calm and relaxation. Integrating breath and movement can dramatically enhance the benefits of your practice. When practicing yoga, it's essential to tailor your practice to fit your needs. One way to do this is by incorporating props into your practice. Props like blocks, straps, and bolsters can provide added support and alignment, allowing you to deepen your practice safely. Meditation is an integral part of yoga, amplifying the benefits of each pose. It allows practitioners to connect deeply with their body, enhancing their awareness and control. This mind-body connection can lead to greater overall health and well-being. Yoga is a practice that can be tailored to the individual's needs. Whether it's stress relief, flexibility, or strength training, there's a pose for that. The key is to choose poses that align with your personal health goals and physical capabilities. One common issue for beginners is performing poses incorrectly. This can lead to reduced benefits or even injury. Therefore, it is essential to learn the proper form for each pose, and not to push your body beyond its limits. As your yoga practice progresses, you may find yourself craving more challenging poses. Advanced poses not only push your physical boundaries but also stimulate mental growth. Remember, yoga is a journey, and every challenge faced is an opportunity for growth. For those new to yoga, starting with beginner poses is recommended. These poses are simpler and help you get accustomed to the movements and breathing techniques. Gradually, as your flexibility and strength improve, you can move on to more complex poses. Safety in practicing yoga poses is paramount. It's essential to listen to your body and not push beyond its limit. It's beneficial to learn from a qualified instructor who can guide you in maintaining proper form and avoiding injuries. Incorporating yoga poses into your daily routine can be a game changer. Yoga is not just an exercise, but a way of living that promotes physical health, mental clarity, and spiritual growth. A consistent practice, even for a few minutes a day, can bring profound benefits. It's important to remember that the journey of yoga is not a race. It's about self-discovery and personal growth, not about achieving the perfect pose. Patience and consistency are key. You'll notice improvements in flexibility, strength, and balance over time. Advanced yoga poses offer a higher level of challenge for experienced practitioners. They require more strength, flexibility, and balance, but also bring greater benefits. They can help you push your limits and improve your overall yoga practice. Yoga poses for beginners provide a gentle introduction to the practice. They help to build the foundation for more advanced poses. Starting with simple poses can help you get familiar with yoga, understand your body better, and build confidence. The practice of yoga is more than just physical exercise. It offers a holistic approach to health and wellness that includes mental clarity and spiritual growth. By incorporating yoga into your daily routine, you can experience these benefits and more. Yoga can help reduce stress, improve flexibility, boost the immune system, and promote a sense of peace and well-being. Understanding the significance and benefits of each yoga pose can enhance your practice. For instance, the downward-facing dog is a full-body stretch that strengthens the arms and legs, improves circulation, and calms the mind. The forward bend, on the other hand, stretches the spine and hamstrings, promoting better posture and alleviating back pain. Each pose has a unique set of benefits that work together to improve overall health and wellness. Relaxation poses in yoga are designed to release stress and tension. The child's pose, for example, allows the body to rest and rejuvenate, while the corpse pose promotes deep relaxation and healing. These poses can be particularly beneficial after a stressful day, helping you unwind and prepare for restful sleep. Health-boosting poses like the tree pose and the triangle pose can improve balance, mental focus, and strengthen the core and lower body. The cobra pose, in particular, enhances cardiovascular health by opening the chest and increasing lung capacity. These poses not only improve physical health, but also cultivate mental focus and resilience. The power of breath in yoga should not be underestimated. By learning to control your breath, you can maximize the effect of each pose. Deep, mindful breathing enhances the flow of oxygen and energy in the body, promotes relaxation, and helps in maintaining the balance and focus required in each pose. Delving into the world of yoga can seem daunting for beginners, but rest assured, there are poses tailored to accommodate your level of comfort and ability. Starting your journey towards better health doesn't necessarily mean attempting complex poses. Rather, understanding and mastering basic poses can significantly contribute to your physical and mental well-being. These beginner poses often target flexibility, strength, and balance, providing a solid foundation for your yoga practice. Safety is paramount in any form of exercise, and yoga is no exception. It's crucial to listen to your body and respect its limits. Avoid pushing yourself into a pose that causes discomfort or pain. Always begin your yoga session with a warm-up to prepare your body and end with a cool-down to aid recovery. If you have any underlying health conditions, consult with a healthcare professional before beginning a new yoga regimen. Each pose should be performed with precise technique and alignment to avoid injuries.